if you want to use a memory card or microSD card on your POCO F8 Ultra, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use the SIM tray. Over here, I have the SIM tray that I took out of the POCO F8 Ultra, and as you can see, we have 2 SIM card slots, but we cannot use the microSD card over here. So it is not possible to use it with the SIM tray. So what you can do instead is you can use a memory card reader. And I know it is inconvenient to use it on a daily basis. They are usually quite big. Of course, there are smaller ones than this one that I have over here. But the general idea is that you can use the memory card reader with a USB-C cable, and you can connect it to the phone. So this is how it looks like. We use the memory card, we put it into the memory card reader, and then we plug it into the phone, just like that. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.